Wow, guys, this thing had everything. The small Max Your Journey Tribe RV community, welcome back. My name is Alvin, and we have a RV review reaction for you. This channel has everything RV related, from adventures, campground reviews, RV reviews, and even some RV fails. Check those videos out, guys. And if you would, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss anything and you stay in the loop. Today, I'm bringing you a 2023 Encore Rog 12Rk. Guys, this is the smallest RV we have ever shown on our channel. Let's check it out. Let's see what it has to offer. It may be tiny, but I heard big things about this. Okay, so looking at the outside, I definitely can't stand up in it, guys. If you didn't know, I'm about 6'6". So I'm just jumping in this, laying down. That's what I'm going with. A little awning on top. Double doors, maybe a kitchen in there. I like it. It's tough. I can see it being towed by a Jeep. Very lightweight. Anybody can tow it pretty much. One propane tank, spare tires, storage unit up front. It's a good size too. That looks like a manual awning up front. I like that. I like the details. I like the tinted windows, big tires for that off-terrain, that all-weather stuff, some stabilizers, a quick connect. Okay, so we have an outside kitchen. We have a quick connect on the side. Like I said, the all-terrain tires. So this thing is small. It's bite-sized, but it's also loud, guys. It's a big bark. Good size fridge, storage, mini freezer above it. All right, guys, we got a 2-burner right here, propane tank. We got a bottle opener, a microwave out unseen, a small kitchen, 2 outside speakers, a fridge, and a freezer. More storage. And the AC. Guys, this unit is blowing me away right now. I mean, you can sit in here and watch TV. You can go outside and cook. You can lay down in here. You have the double pass-throughs. I'm loving it. Look at that. Wow. Wow, guys, this thing has everything you need, especially if you're just a couple off-roading. I can see a lot of people using this one. Smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned for next time. And hopefully you check out one of these awesome videos that YouTube is showing you. They know what you like. They know what you love. And it's Max Your Journey stuff. Check it out.